Did you know pears are one of the healthiest fruits you can eat? That's right, these sweet and juicy gems of nature are not just delicious, they're also packed with a host of health benefits. For starters, pears are a great source of dietary fiber, providing around 6 grams in a medium-sized fruit. This fiber aids in digestion, keeps you feeling full, and even helps control blood sugar levels. But the health benefits of pears don't stop there. These fruits are also relatively low in calories, making them a smart choice for those watching their weight. A medium-sized pear, for instance, contains under 100 calories. Moreover, pears are rich in antioxidants, compounds that help protect your cells from damage. They're also a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports immune function and skin health. Indeed, pears pack a powerful nutritional punch, but let's dive deeper into their specific health benefits. Want to keep your heart healthy? Reach for a pear. Pears are more than just a tasty treat, they're a powerhouse of heart-healthy nutrients. Let's talk about fiber, for instance. This incredible nutrient plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health of your heart. How so? It assists in reducing the levels of low-density lipoprotein, commonly known as bad cholesterol, in your body. And guess what? Pears are brimming with dietary fiber, but that's not all. Pears are also a good source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate your heart rate and blood pressure. In fact, maintaining a healthy intake of potassium can help stave off hypertension and other heart-related conditions. It's like carrying a mini cardiologist in your fruit bowl. So when you're planning your meals or reaching for a snack, remember the humble pear. Not only does it taste great, but it's also doing wonders for your heart. Next time you think about heart health, remember this juicy gem. Ever wondered how to keep your gut happy? Pears may have the answer. Pears, nature's juicy gems, are laden with a powerhouse of dietary fiber. This fiber acts as a natural broom, sweeping through your digestive system, aiding in digestion and helping prevent the discomfort of constipation. But that's not all. Pears also play a starring role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiota. This is the community of beneficial bacteria that calls your gut home. These bacteria are integral to your overall health, affecting everything from your mood to your immune system. The fiber in pears acts as food for these bacteria, helping them to flourish and thrive. This in turn contributes to a balanced gut microbiota, which is associated with numerous health benefits. In essence, when you're munching on a pear, you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth, you're also nourishing your gut bacteria and promoting your digestive health. So for a happy gut, consider adding more pears to your diet. Want radiant skin? Pears can help you achieve it. This juicy gem is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, 2 key players in skin health. Antioxidants battle damage from pesky free radicals that can age your skin prematurely, while vitamin C promotes collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. So next time you're reaching for a snack, grab a pear. Your skin will thank you. Pears are not just delicious, they're a one-stop shop for all your health needs. We've only scratched the surface of the health benefits of pears today. Let's recap. Pears, that juicy gem of nature, can be a boon for your heart, a friend to your gut, and a natural spa for your skin. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook this humble fruit. Stay tuned to The Altruist for more health secrets from nature. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this and share the knowledge. Remember, an apple a day might keep the doctor away, but a pear a day could lead to a healthier, happier you.